Oh, all right, man. Good game. Talk to you later. All right, yeah. I'll catch you later. Bye. Hey, my name's Tom, and I'm here to talk about my favorite gaming headset. These are the Turtle Beach, kind of the headset model. They're the simpler ones. They're not a really higher end one, but they're one of the most comfortable ones, and they're the ones I actually keep going back to. I've had 4 or 5 different sets of gaming headsets, and I keep coming back to these. I've actually purchased them, tried them out, and said, I like these better, and I've gone back to this. So let me kind of tell you how this works and what's so great about these. First of all, they're very comfortable. They just fit well. They fit myself well. My son, who's a little thinner than I am, they fit him well as well. The headsets themselves kind of articulate in and out on this pivot, so that actually allows them on the head to actually kind of turn. And they fit well. They're very comfortable. The padding across the top is fine. I don't have a whole lot of problem up there. I have plenty of hair, but yeah, it's fine. They're just comfortable headsets. So other neat features. The actual headset itself, when it's down, it actually is talking, and when I go ahead and put this up, it actually goes ahead and mutes. So that's real nice. And then you can go ahead and pop it back down again, and you can go ahead and talk. So to mute, you just kind of flip it out of the way, and you're muted. That's great. The other thing these headsets have that not all Turtle Beach have is a little volume control, and it's actually over here on the left headset, but there is a volume up and down. So you don't have to go into the actual software of the game to go ahead and change the volume if you don't want to. You can just go ahead and you can actually, what I do is I actually have the volume cranked fairly high for the controller, for the actual controller volume, but then I control it with this. So I can always bring it down. If it's down low on that controller, you can't always bring it up because it's just doing so much there. So I turn this volume up in the games or in the software, and then I go ahead and I turn this down so that it's actually at a comfortable level. Now, I will say this, it's not 100% completely immersive. Like when I put these on, I can't, the entire room doesn't become invisible to me orally. I can still hear things in the room as long as it's not too quiet. I can, if the cats walk by, I won't hear any of that. It does block out most of the stuff. That's why I like these sort of headsets because they have all the game sound is right here. It sounds great. These have one of the better sound profiles I've ever heard. There's not a lot of settings, not a whole lot you can do software wise, but you don't need all that. Like this just sounds really good. It hears the games as you're supposed to hear them. Now I use it mostly with an Xbox One. You can use different Xbox. All the controllers will have a little 1/8 inch jack. There you go. So you can see that. But it also will work with my PlayStation 5. I also have a 1/8 inch jack right there, and it just goes in right there, and it's fine. These things, they last forever too. This is my second set of headset, and the only reason it's my second set is because I accidentally sat and smashed my other set about a year and a half ago. And I just went out, I tried a couple other sets, didn't like them, returned them, got back to this, and this is just my headset du jour. This is the one I use every single day, and I play game an hour or two a day. My son actually has another set of these on the other end of the couch, and he actually games for I don't know 4, 5, 6 hours a day, and he loves them too. Like we both just wear these nonstop. So yeah, these are really great headsets. They're nice and simple. They're comfortable. They work well. Highly recommended.